Happy Holi. Guys, happy Holi, all of you. Today is just not a festival, today is colors of happiness, togetherness, and Holi teaches us one lesson, that is celebrate Holi. Add colors to your life, not negativity. सो लेट्स सेलिब्रेट होली एंड मैंने सेलिब्रेट कर लिया है एंड नाउ आई एम रिकॉर्डिंग वीडियो बिकॉज यू नो प्रैक्टिस इज practice is also mandatory. So so what is Holi? Holi is one of the most vibrant and joyful festival in our India. It's known as color of festival, and on this day everyone celebrate Holi. Like on this day people forget their differences, forget each other, and play Holi with love and happiness. Even children's, families, adults, everyone's play with water and color. Holi is just not about colors. It also has a spiritual meaning. It reminds us that good always defeat evil, just like story of Prahalad and Holika. Means truth and faith always win. Holi tells us remove anger, remove jealousy, and remove fear from your heart, and feel it with love and confidence. So guys, I would like to end this video. So happy Holi again. So राधे राधे, वी विल मीट इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो. और वीडियो बनाने में थोड़ा लेट हो गया, होली सेलिब्रेट कर रहा था. सो बाय बाय, राधे राधे.